Today we are going to use the algebra tiles found on the Pearson eTools. Simply click on the algebra tiles icon and then click on the Solve Equations. This will open up a new window that will allow us to use the algebra tiles to solve for an unknown in an equation. Before I begin, I'm just going to highlight a couple things here. The Help tool, just by clicking on that, it will show you what each of the icons mean. So, if we were to have an equation such as 2x plus 3, let's say I wanted these to be negative. I can use this tool right here, the Flip Tiles tool, just to change the sign on them. So now it's 2x minus 3, and I want that to equal 5. And like I did for the other side, I can click this arrow so that it will show me what it equals. Once I have my equation in, I lock it, and that sets this to be equal. Now, in order to solve for this equation, I need to isolate the variable. Now, in order to get rid of the negative 3, I have to do the opposite operation, which is addition. So I'm going to add in 3 positive 1s. And if you notice, as I add each one in on the left, in order to maintain equality, it automatically adds 1 in on the right side of the equation. Notice that this equal sign stays there. So I now have 3 zero pairs, which I can get rid of. And we can see that this equals is still there. Now we have 2x equals 8. I then have to divide this into 2 groups, and I can do the same for the right side of the equation. And I make 2 equal groups, 4 each. So now I can get rid of one of these x's. And you notice that it's no longer equal until I get rid of the 4. And I see now that x equals 4. This is how you can model solving an equation using algebra tiles.